is Mr. Dhar. So therefore, sir, let's not make this kind of allegations and remarks which are really very, very petty, sir. Sir, I have not disturbed the honourable member, sir. He'll have his chance.
On the Rule 300, sir, point of order, sir. I raise a point of order. Sir, Rule 54, whenever we submit for a call attention, sir, and Rule 54.2, there shall be no debate on such statement at the time it is made. So, sir, do you allow to have a debate? If you allow, then we will debate. I'm ready to debate with you, sir. It doesn't mean that you'll take advantage of this call attention and express what you feel only. We have. When you talk about the mindset, we know what is the mindset. There is a difference between the mindset of a tribal and the mindset of those who have been upbringing outside the state, sir. So when you want to talk about mindset, let us talk about the mindset. What kind of mindset you are talking? You think just because we raise issues concerning the state that we are narrow-minded?
Honorable member, please.
Don't try to insinuate. Don't try to insinuate.
Because
you speak straight to the call attention. Address the point that I've raised in the call attention. If you want to debate, let us have another platform to debate, sir. You can extend the house.
Yes, already.
Can we allow you to just speak alone?
Please stop. Please stop.
Deputy Speaker, sir,
Sir, may I be allowed to finish
point
my
of
reply,
order.
sir?
I'm raising a point of order under Rule 300 in respect of Rule 54.1 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. I think the content of this very rule is itself self-explanatory. We have seen very often the Chief Minister standing on his feet, raising point of order, advising the members of this August House to ensure that we take cognizance of essence of time. The same applies to everybody. And the rule is specific. The minister in charge will make a brief statement on it. Nothing beyond that. Therefore, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, let us go by the rules. We are privileged to have lots of new members, so they will follow what we. Therefore, we should lead by example. That is one part. And another, Mr. Speaker, sir, another point of order.
I think
under Rule 300, pertaining to 151.
Hakasi kabakot jangkador ba senrai kata ka arfatrik unalur arajar arpulai keladan gajinya Khluit habreng uba adan bila bersama amili jangkan nongkram bat umutri nambak kajala Conrad sangma kini kelawan hakapor ba umutri nambak kajala urang jubab ya ka call attention notice kawalan dak uba adan hakabdei bat kapang kabdei ba kajala makhlia kadi kajala kabduk tam hagari India Conrad sangma hadin bola jubab ya ka jengpan pensai no ba adan kamtap me hakabdei bat pelong yaki festival ulah keren sibun kimat berulah ong kitu ba persiapan pelang festival kidi kiba Khim Jingmut bat kiba mi ijngai bat kiba bisni ya kajing yo kam jam kisamla ba kaji nong jing pat hakabakum kan kapor ba adan ulah yang kesan ba ka point of order hakabola ong ba umri nang ba umri ban krew ya kata bat habularis lani ulah ra ya kamat kabidi ba kajing dok jinglau di ban keren ya kata penban ukon rat sangma ong ba adan ulah keren ban ya kajing long Khim Jingmut jong kibri kebetan pok kani kajela kamta ba adan ulah dawa ba umri nang ba uru ada ukak menyetai hakabidi baka jinglong Khim Jingmut ke jinglong kibri pok kani kejela dewan rat da koi bat kapor badan la penengkam lagi kentian khabu laong ba ke jinglong jong ki rulum ba kitu kibri ki basa lan ki bala he rasan chaba la ke fer sibun lami ke jen ya ka Khluit penengkan kapor bat hani kata jong kelang jong sangro la persong yaki berangut bala yang ru sodok tembakul sama makran halo kani kamat